Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a Pinterest profile for health misinformation. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on the search icon and then search for the Pinterest profile you want to report. You can tap any one of the pin from them and then tap on the profile picture to open their profile. Then select three dots icon. After that, tap on the report button and then select the misinformation option. From here, tap on the first option, which is this is health misinformation. Finally, tap on the report button to submit the report of Pinterest profile regarding health misinformation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.